I think it should be noted that Jake did not even play bass before he joined this band.
That's true.
He was a guitar
we
player.
threw that instrument at him.
We were like,
learn
you're
it.
going to fucking learn bass, bud. He has really
And he
done...
did.
He's fucking really taken it on and done a great job with it. So
I think it's
shouts
been good
to
for
Jake.
him.
I wish he was here, but...
Track him down.
I'll find him.
Yeah.
Find him.
Meech will find
Yeah,
him.
shout out to Jake. Dude. Like,
He
he's-
really, he is like he brings a lot to the table, like just personality wise. He's a great person to be on stage with.
The crowd at Larimore loved him.
Yeah,
Dude, yeah,
it was
they
so,
did.
dude. It has been.
We're gonna slow it a little bit down.
I guess.
Jake is gone! What a good bass player. God damn! Who is that guy on bass?
Who is it? Who is it?
Who is he?
Alright.
I watched Jason Takes Manhattan for the first time last night for Friday the 13th. He barely takes Manhattan. He's on a fucking boat like 3/4 of the movie.